Hello everyone, and welcome back to another weather overview video. Today we finally have some severe weather to talk about that's going to be hitting on Saturday, October 18th in the Tennessee and Ohio valleys. But before we get into all of that, let's look at our outlooks for the next few days. We have a marginal risk for some severe weather over in the west in Wyoming, South Dakota, Colorado, New Mexico, with a big chance of thunderstorms around it. And then once again, same thing, marginal risk over in Nebraska, Colorado, and Kansas. It moved to the east a little bit, and then still a large area with a chance for thunderstorms. And then our day 3, once again, it moves a little bit to the southeast this time, and it's in Kansas, Missouri, and Oklahoma, and a little bit of Texas, with once again a large area of possible thunderstorms. So now let's get into what everyone has their eye on this week. Here is our first round of fall severe weather over in the southeast. We have a 15% chance for some severe weather over in Arkansas, Missouri, western Tennessee, western Kentucky, northern Louisiana, a little bit of Texas. This system isn't looking like it's going to be a tornado event. I know that's what everyone will be worried about in these areas. We've had a lot of tornado outbreaks in these areas. This is not looking like it's going to be a tornado outbreak event. It's looking like it's going to be more of a strong wind and heavy rainfall event. So if you live in these areas, watch for that, pay attention. And additionally, to go with the heavy rainfall event, we have our excessive rainfall outlook. We have a slight risk and a marginal risk in those areas that are going to be hit by this severe thunderstorm. So if you live in these areas, watch for possible flash flooding or flooding in general. Here's what's causing this severe weather. We have our low pressure cold front right here moving in. We can see it here on this model. You can watch it move in right there. That's what is causing our severe weather. And then additionally, we have lots of moisture in the Gulf coming up. You can see I'm backing this up. We can watch as the moisture, which is the red-orange color, we can see as it moves up into the states, following where this storm will most likely be tracking. Lastly, here is a probability of severe thunderstorm ingredients. Here in the center area of where we have our severe thunderstorm risk right now seems to be the area with the highest probability for severe thunderstorm ingredients. The kind of outer edges have a much lower probability, which once again, this storm is a few days out. This will change, the outlook will change, the probabilities will change, and we'll get to know more the closer to time it gets. Luckily, right now, it's not looking like it's going to be too terribly bad, but this is our first cold front of the season. We're kicking off our fall severe weather season, so this will kind of be a wake-up call for everyone. It's been pretty chill over here. There hasn't been a whole lot going on over here. This will be a wake-up call, and we will have to get back to being more alert in these areas because fall severe weather is fixing to be crazy. Again, this is looking like a strong wind and heavy rainfall event. We need to watch for flash flooding and strong wind gusts. Everyone that is in the area of risk right now needs to keep an eye on the system and the changing probabilities and forecasts because it will change a lot over the next few days. So just keep an eye on it. Everyone stay safe. I hope you all have a wonderful day.